Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your inbox type on Gmail. So let's start. First open the Gmail app. When the app is open, tap on the three bars on top left corner. Now scroll down and then tap on Settings. Now select the Gmail ID. And here under the inbox section you will see the option Inbox Type. Now tap on that. Now default inbox is selected by default, and if you want to put your important emails first, then select important first. And just like that, if you want to put the unread emails first, then select unread first. And if you want to select the starred or priority inbox first, then select those. I'll just keep it to important first. And that is how you can change your inbox type on Gmail. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.